Hello everyone, God bless you. Thank you all for stopping by. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made this delicious looking, guests pleasing, family happy jollof rice. Doesn't this just look like a little cute butterfly? It's so pretty. So I just made this jollof rice and shrimp. Very simple with few ingredients. Let's go. So right here I have my shrimp. Is raw, so I'm gonna devein the shrimp, clean it, remove the shell, and then I'll set it aside. But feel free to use cooked shrimp if you like, if that's what is available. But right here I'm just using this raw shrimp. As you can see, I'm removing the shell. So I'm trying to pull out all the intestines, and I'll just take my knife and just slit it like a butterfly, like that. So I'm going to repeat the process for the remaining shrimp. And right here, all our shrimp is all clean and nice and ready. Also, I have my bell peppers, scotch bonnet, and onions. I'm not using tomatoes for this rice that I'm making, as you can see. So right here, I'm blending the three, just the bell pepper, onions, and the scotch bonnet. That's all I'm using for this recipe. So we have our pot already ready with a little bit of salt and some water. I'm just going to add a little bit of canola oil into the pot before putting in my rice, my basmati rice. So that's the basmati rice going into the pot. There are several ways of making basmati rice. So right now I'm just going to use my spoon to just keep stirring till it gets to a certain extent. Then I'll bring it down, wash the rice, make sure it's really clean, and then I'll put it back on the fire just to cook it till it's completely ready. And I'll set that aside. So right here I have a little bit of oil in my pot, and I'm just dropping some onions into the pot, the pan, as you can see. And then I already salted my shrimp. I'm just going to add that. Like I said, feel free to use the already cooked shrimp, but I'm just using this raw shrimp. And I want to say a big thank you to all of you who keep coming to my channel, all my subscribers. Thank you all. God bless you. And those who haven't subscribed yet, kindly do so. And feel free to share my videos to your friends and loved ones. Thank you all. So as you can see, our shrimp is already almost cooked. I'm just adding some knorr cubes here. But feel free to add more seasoning. So I'm gonna be taking out the shrimp right now because it's already cooked. So it's time to add our blended bell peppers, onions, and scotch bonnet. Right into the pan. So as you can see, the flavor from the shrimps will just come in contact with this bell pepper, onion, and scotch bonnet, and you can imagine the taste out of that. So delicious. So I'm just going to let this cook for a few minutes, about 5 to 6 minutes, and I'll cover the pot. Right now it's all done. So at this point, feel free to add your curry. You can add your powdered onion or as many seasonings as possible. But I'm not just going to add too much. I'm just adding some curry right here, as you can see. And remember, our shrimps already has some salt in it, and our rice has some salt, so I'm not adding any salt here at all. So it's time to add our rice, already cooked rice, into our sauce, bell pepper sauce. So I'm going to just be stirring this till I am satisfied that it's completely cooked and everything, the sauce and the rice, they're all combined. So I actually did this for about 2 to 3 minutes till it got to this extent. It's time to add our already cooked shrimps. And I'll mix it, and it's all done. This actually came out really well. This actually was a hit. The taste was just unspeakable. So delicious. And the shrimps just took it to another level. So I want to say a big thank you to everyone who watched to this extent. And this was the end result. Guys, look at that. Doesn't this just look so pretty? You see, when you look at something like this, you just feel like you want to just eat. So I want to say thank you all for coming to this channel where we take food from ordinary to extraordinary. Thank you all for watching, and by God's grace, I hope to see you again soon. Bye.